Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to see how to make fig and tamarind chutney. This chutney is perfect for chaat, samosa, pav bhaji, pav vada pav, and so on friend. It's simply delicious and highly nutritious. To make this chutney, all you need are dry figs. It's a sun-dry figs, about half cup dry figs, 1/3 cup of tamarind, few garlic, few ginger, half cup of a jaggery syrup, cumin half teaspoon, fennel seed half teaspoon, half tablespoon salt, and half teaspoon chili powder. So friends, let's see how to make this delicious chutney. In the pot, I'm just adding about 1 cup water, and once we can start adding all ingredients together: tamarind, fig, chili powder, cumin, fennel seed, salt, and jaggery syrup. So it's all simple ingredient, but you won't believe the taste so good once we have this chutney as a side of pani puri, samosa, vada pav. So friend, let it boil for 20 minutes completely, and we're going to, once it's done boiled, now it's ready, and let it sit cool completely friend. Once it's cool, I'm just adding about 1 cup hot water. So this is the consistent. It's so thick, so we are unable to blend it the thick, so we just add about 1 cup hot water. The hot water is a prevention to get the chutney quickly spoil. So we can store this chutney for 6 months in the refrigerator. So always consume hot boiling water while you make this all complete chutney. So I'm just adding into the food processor, and I'm just run about 5 to 10 minutes until we get the smooth thick paste. So friend, the figs have high benefit. So first is promote the digestion health, may improve the vascular and heart health, may manage the blood sugar, potential anti-cancer property, and more help for the benefit for the skin. So they have huge benefit of figs, so we need to consume in our daily diet basis. So this is the one of opportunity we can make a different dishes, and we can consume in our diet regularly. So strain all that pulp that we blended earlier, and it's a process, and then once you get this is the ending, and try to get all that fig tamarind pulp, and this is the consistent we looking, thick and smooth and so delicious. It's sweet, tangy, and the fig is really delicious friend. It's really give nice the consistent. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell button. Thank you.